Hi, myself Ajinkya Mahajan. I'm an electronics engineer from Pune and I have attended a workshop on artificial intelligence in biology and its applications from 1st June to 5th June 2019. The experience for attending this workshop was overall very satisfactory, and I have gained a lot of knowledge on artificial intelligence as I am a fresher and I have no much idea regarding artificial intelligence and its applications in biotechnology. The knowledge shared in this workshop was very great. Thank you for providing me such a great opportunity to share such knowledge with me. Thanks.
I am Monica Moitra. I recently attended a training on artificial intelligence. I found this training quite knowledgeable and helpful, and I wish to attend such trainings in future.
Hello, I am Muskan Bansal and I'm pursuing BTech Biotech from MIT University, Noida. I joined Artificial Intelligence and Biology course, which was of 5 days, and it was in online mode, so it was very convenient for me. An exposure of biodiscovery group was great for new searchers and other students of other courses as well. They work hard and they made the concept very clearly, and the doubts were made clear then and there only. And they work great for the future of researchers. For biotechnology students, it is this group is very uh, useful, and I was happy that I attended this workshop, and I will definitely join other workshops as well.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a video feedback about the course on artificial intelligence in biology, which I took up under the guidance of biodiscovery group. Trust me, it was these 5 days which I learned about artificial intelligence gave me a very good knowledge, and it was this has been an eye opener. Like for a biologist or a scientist like me, getting to know certain things which a computer can do, and it has a very good application in the medical field, is something wonderful. Trust me, everyone should, and if you're a biologist or you're not in the computer field, definitely give it up a try. It is worth the time and worth every effort that you're taking in. It's really good, and of course, the way they teach is something they start right from the scratch, and the modules which they cover is on those 5 days is enough for us to know the basic understandings and up to the applications. And further reading will